For this earring, you will need 10 pieces of beading wire that's 10 centimeter long each. You will need 2 ear hooks, 2 jump rings, lots of crimp beads, and 1 crimp bead that's 3 millimeter, and the beads of your choice. I've already cut my strings, so I have 5 of them here. You put them together like this. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is going to be a tassel, so it doesn't have to be very even at the end. The important thing is that it's even on the top where we're going to make the loop. So you put this together like this at the end. You grab your 3 millimeter crimp bead and you try to put it on here. Make sure that you get all the strands like that. And you try to keep the loop up here even. And you slide this crimping bead up towards the top to create the loop. I have already done the matching earring, so you have to check so that the loop will be about the same. Just a little bit smaller. Like so. Then you take your flat nose plier and you squeeze the crimp bead together like so. Now you have 10 strands that you will start to bead. This doesn't have to be perfect or even or something. And what I do is I grab a strand and a crimp bead and put it on. You put these on randomly. So you just start squeezing somewhere. I chose the silver ones because they add a little bit of shine to the earring. Like that. Then you take the next strand on this one. I will just put 1 bead at the end, I think, to get the bead properly at the end. You just push it up so that you leave a millimeter or so, and then you squeeze the crimp bead. Now you got a tiny little bit there to put the last crimp bead on. Like that. Then you squeeze. There you go. And you just keep on doing this randomly until you think you have enough beads on. like this. Now you have done this tassel. All you gotta do is to put the ear hook on. You open your jump ring and put your tassel on. I have to open it a bit more. Like so, and then your ear hook. There, you got your nice little pair of tassel earrings. I chose the color black and silver here, but you can totally mix up colors or pick some other colors, other beads. It's all in your own imagination. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.